Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad. Today we'll be talking about how Elon Musk just purchased Twitter. So Twitter as a business, as a performing business, is not doing very good, has not done very well since the 9 years it's been listed on the public stock market. We've seen 2013 listed for $45 and now going public at 52 9 years later. So they've made $7 in shareholder value in 9 years. Not very good. Honestly, it's very bad compared to any reputable company that's held its ground or has gained popularity within the last couple of years. So, knowing this, why has Elon Musk buying this? He's mostly just doing it for the free speech aspects. He believed that Twitter was misguided in its path, um, and he thinks he could do better. Maybe not make money, but provide a better service as the Twitter platform will increase in value and decrease in the amount of political conflictions. So he bought Twitter for $52 a share. This means every shareholder now will receive $52 once it goes private, and that is worth $44 billion. The thing is, just months ago, you could see that Twitter was in the 60 to 70 range. It was a $60, $70 stock, and any single person that purchased in during this time is now underwater and will not be making their money back ever again. It is kind of sad because usually when a company is purchased, they are above, like, let's say the company was purchased over here, it would be $85, right? But considering it is down this much, he still paid a premium, but a actual deal compared to just a year earlier. So think what you want of this deal. Is it profitable for Elon Musk? Maybe not. He did spend $44 billion. He did get some financing, so it's not all cash. But a lot of money was put into this deal for a not so good business, right? Twitter hasn't been making profit every single year. It's kind of some years they are, some years they're not. You can see it's just been, most of the time it was under this IPO price of Twitter being public. It was usually under $45. At one point was, $15, and at another point was around 80. So this deal not the best for Elon Musk in terms of wealth, but in terms of himself and his rights of a businessman. He could do what he wants, and he thinks that Twitter is better off privately, without shareholders, without governments talking, breathing down their necks, saying what to do and what not to do. If Twitter is a private place, it could act more freely in terms of free speech and stuff like that for the people and not for the shareholder gain, which there has been zero. So it's a good deal for, I'd say, humanity. Probably not a great deal for Elon Musk, but we shouldn't be too, depressed because of this. And anyways, let's check out Tesla, because Elon Musk still is the CEO of Tesla. Let's check what it did today with the news. So kind of stagnant, no real direction. But we can check out Dogecoin, which Elon Musk is a huge backer behind. And we can see just today, or let's do the past 5 days, just in the past couple, just around the past day, Dogecoin has gone from 0.12 to 0.15 because when Elon Musk, the owner now of Twitter and the biggest, probably, the voice for Dogecoin, now owns Twitter, it's a big deal, because you're getting more free speech for this random garbage coin that's almost worthless, but it's basically traded like a penny stock with no real value. And Elon Musk does take some control of that. He has definitely made some money off this himself, and with Twitter being private, he has more room to do so. So that's why Dogecoin's rallying. Tesla's not really moving. Not sure the direction that deal has on Tesla, but for Twitter, I'd say it's not the worst or best deal. $52 a share when they were once trading at 70 or 80 is not too good, but when they're once trading at 15 or just a month earlier for 30, not bad at all. So now we can move past this. The chance of this going through and finalizing is pretty high, so I don't expect it to fall through. And that's about it. You shouldn't be buying this because you're making 30 cents, but you're risking $51. Not a good deal. So anyways, that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time.